In a world where pure drinking water is scarce, Sovisy leads the way with GRP SMC panel tanks. Continuously adapting to global technology trends, we integrate Bridgestone Japan and German manufacturing technology. Sovisy's government-approved modules and dedicated R&D unit ensure innovative solutions for diverse client need. With 25 years in water storage and 15 years specializing in GRP SMC panel tanks, our mission is simple yet advanced. Install SMC GRP panels for top-tier water preservation. Sovisy tanks, the global choice, outperform traditional systems, catering to domestic and industrial needs. Connect with our friendly advisors for estimates. Experience unmatched customer service. Sovisy has proudly achieved a host of certifications, such as the Fire and Security Association of India, ISI, ISO 9001-2015 certification, NSF-USA Green Pro, Confederation of Indian Industry, WRAS UK, and Bureau Veritas certification. Sovisy also honored with the prestigious Make in India certification. Our all-India supply chain ensures supply at doorstep. Sovisy tanks have already been installed at different metros, cities, towns, and rural areas across India, and new sites are daily being added to the list. Internationally, we have installations in South Africa, Congo, Ethiopia, Nigeria, Kenya, Nepal, Uganda, Maldives, and Australia. Our after-sales team ensures 24/7 customer support and service. Our ever-growing clientele includes government and public sector organizations, corporates, hospitality and healthcare industries, realty sector, airports and automobile industries. Sovisy tanks offer unparalleled advantages: easy on-site assembly of any size, long-lasting water quality, lightweight and durable panels for effortless handling, 100% weather resistance, and safety with a 6-fold strength factor. Ideal for diverse climates, Sovisy ensures a 50-plus year lifespan, making it perfect for dry lands and corrosive environments. Certified by NSF-USA and WRAS UK, Sovisy provides a cost-effective, maintenance-free solution, outshining steel, concrete, and plastic tanks. As we conclude this riveting exploration into Sovisy's narrative, remember that the future of water storage lies within your grasp. Thank you for being an integral part of our success story. Let's collectively shape a sustainable future. Reach out to us, be part of the Sovisy journey, and experience the difference we bring to the world of water storage. Sovisy, living innovation.